Hello folks, Gino here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. This is a really slick little bike, got some nice upgrades on it. Comes with a black powder coated wire spoke rims, fat tire bike, got good tires on it, beautiful red metallic paint. More black powder coating up here. It's got a detachable windshield, black powder coated signals with smoke lenses, got a mustache style highway bar here. They've added the heel toe shifter with the upgraded pegs, horn cover, satin finished aluminum side covers on the engine, chrome inserts down there. Got the detachable, docking hardware for a detachable backrest. It's got this luggage rack added onto it here. Excellent tire on the back. Shotgun exhaust. Sounds like they may have upgraded the mufflers. It's got a nice little sound to it. Upgraded air breather. It's a 103 with a 6-speed. Let's see. The 8 hangers, chubby bars with steel braided lines, chrome switch housings, upgraded hand grips. It's got 3,219 miles. Got an upgraded seat too. That looks like a Harley Davidson Sundowner seat. Very comfortable. Notice a little scrub right here on this hand grip, but I don't see anything else anywhere that would indicate that it had been over. Everything looks real good on it. All the paint, chrome. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike went through our shop, was serviced, safety checked, and inspected, and it's ready to ride. A lot of good finance options and extended warranty options on it. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.